Okay, today I traded CCIH. It's probably the worst. Yeah, it's the worst trade I've ever done. I'm down $200, average $200. If we can see, okay, oh, not this. Uh, okay, we can see that CCIH, it's a low float, kind of low float, really, 12.6 million. We have volume, we have massive volume, 25 million. We can see here that it really doesn't have a recent catalyst, as we can see here. It's probably a chat room pump. Um, okay, so to the trade. Okay, to the trade. If we go to 2 years, we can see that this is the first green day, massive volume. Um, I like to trade first green days right now. I'm trying to focus on those most in this pattern exactly. Kind of like a cup and handle is you have the big spike and then consolidation and then it kind of breaks the day high and keeps going up. And these are good. I think they're good. I believe they're good overnight holds if it doesn't have too much resistance in the past. Okay, but in my trade, what I did wrong. First of all, I okay. Where did I buy? Okay, I bought around here. When this broke, this this high broke, it went up, and I bought. And my support, my risk was gonna be this high. So when this broke, I was gonna get out, but I was in really bad Wi-Fi, and it's my first time using E-Trade as well. So it was my fault going in too big, using the broker for the first time, a new broker, uh, and on bad Wi-Fi. So those things are against. It was really bad. So I was gonna say, okay, this is gonna be maybe a little bit down here, consolidates, it goes down and comes back up, and it breaks the high of day. I went all the way down here, ended up cutting my losses around here because of my bad Wi-Fi. So I lost about $100. Okay, it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad, but I still learned not to do this anymore. It's more common sense, but I did it anyways. Second trade, a few minutes later, it broke the high a day. It came down and it was showing the signs of bottoming here. I don't have my level two. I have to do that right now. But it was showing signs of bottoming here. So I bought it here around 248, hoping that it was gonna hold the high of day. And if it broke, I was gonna get out. So it did break, and I got out. So I think that was a better trade. But I was still down. I'm down here about 90, $100 as well. So I lost $200. And this is more like a revenge trade because I wanted to get my money back from my loss over here. But at the end of the day, it ended up doing exactly what most of the patterns do. Most of these do. Um, Midday perk. So it came down. It was bottoming here, and I believe the best. I this you want a short squeeze. We want a short squeeze, and kind of comes in the afternoon about like the last trading hour to about. That's when you get the short squeeze. So it's a good time to buy around here when it's about 3:35 p.m. Eastern. And it has this perk, and this perk it was perfect because we can see that it perked up, came down, and it held its high, this previous high, and it kept going up. It's coming down, and it's making a higher low. So this is perfect. This end part is perfect. It's a little bit choppy here because it went up and it didn't hold. It went all the way down, which it held this part, this support. So this is another prior. It's I have to focus more on buying on weakness and selling to strength, and not buying into strength and I have to sell into weakness if it doesn't work out. So it's always less. Tim Sykes says is like dip buying. Always dip buy. I was trying to dip buy here. It failed. Came down. Cut losses quickly. Still feel $100, including my commissions. But overall, it's okay. I learned my lesson. Um, it's completely fine. Things happen. This is my fault completely. Well, of course, my fault, but everything went bad because first of all, first time using a new broker, bad Wi-Fi and chasing here. Yeah, that was pretty bad. I was panicking a little bit. I didn't want to go to break this low and then break this low, and I'm like, no, really bad Wi-Fi, and like I'm down $400. That would be really bad. But it was only $100. Still pretty bad, but I learned my lesson not to do that anymore. I'm gonna get. I should have entered with a small amount of shares, or should have waited into the weakness to buy here. Went up, and I bought here again. Okay, I'm just repeating myself, but yeah. So just two trading mistakes. First one, this one. This one was just more like a revenge trade. It was good risk reward. I'm still down. Went a little bit big here too. Um, yeah, so with these ones, I have to be more patient and see if it really holds. And I have to have my level 2, which having a little problem, but it should be fixed. So I should have this level 2. Um, Also, I just bought, let's go to Profitly. Um, I just bought my penny stocking part done. So I'm going to study that right now. And yeah, just keep going forward every day. And that was just my trading mistakes. I'm gonna upload it to Profitly, and yeah, this pattern repeats over and over and over and over again. So I want to focus on getting into the weakness, into the this part, and then just let it play by itself. Play, 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 and it comes all the way up. And that's where you make the big money. You make $1 a share inside of what? Inside of an hour almost. Yeah, an hour and a half. So just patience and try to buy into weakness and sell into strength, not the other way around. Yeah, that's it. Okay.